Ever wish you could just magically tweak the PDF document without jumping through hoops? Let's dive into how to edit any PDF directly in Adobe Photoshop, a surprisingly powerful technique. First, open Photoshop and click Open. Locate your PDF on your computer and select it, then click Open. Photoshop will then present you with options for importing your PDF. This is crucial. In the Import dialog, you will see all of the PDF's pages. You may now see the different page settings. Consider selecting pages under Select and choose which pages you want to open. Make sure that resolution is high enough for your needs. I usually keep it above 150 pixels. Now comes the fun part. Photoshop sees each PDF page as an image. Each page becomes a new layer, meaning you can edit the text, graphics, and images independently, just like a regular Photoshop project. If you want to remove text, use the Spot Healing Brush tool or the Clone Stamp tool from the toolbar on the left. To add text, use the Text tool. For those image edits, use the tools on the left. Photoshop's editing tools are at your service. To save your edited PDF, go to File, then Save As. You'll have to select Photoshop PDF as your file format. And there you have it. You can edit your PDF. While it may take a little while to get used to, doing this will enable major changes.